Welcome to Matt's Current Endeavor. I'm Matt. On today's endeavor, we're working on a project that I'm kind of excited about. Something I've been looking for a while. So I have been on the lookout for a nice toolbox to replace this little thing I have over here. It's been okay, but I've outgrown it, and I'd like to have better organization. So I've been looking for like a rolly toolbox, something like this. You can push it around the shop. Ones I've found, even used ones, even beat up ones, tend to be in the $300 to $500 range. I found this one on Facebook Marketplace for $80, and I like it. I like that it's old and it's solid. I feel like sometimes they don't make things as solid today as they used to. But I talked to the guy I bought it from. He said it was in his family since the 60s. It's come from the Baltimore, Maryland area. I don't know how it ended up out in Oregon. I think he bought it out. He had family in Baltimore or something, but he lived out here, and he was moving and just decided it was time for it to find a new home, which I'm excited about because now it's me. So my plan is to clean up everything. So this opens up. I don't know how it opens. There we go. Back in the day, you could lock it shut. I may rekey it or do something to get that to happen. Yeah, it's kind of cool. So you can like totally lock it so that it's all hidden, and then when you're ready to use it, put this away, and now it's ready to store stuff in. So my plan is to clean it up. There's like some cork board stuck in the bottom of these. I'm going to scrape that all out. Probably put some new padding in, and then I'm going to paint it to match stuff that I have here. So I'm a fan of matte black, so I think that's what I'm going to deal with. But first I'm going to start by cleaning it all up, making it work, making all of the drawers open and close real smooth. So let's get this project started. It's been stuck down in here. I don't know if it's just if it was glued originally or if it was just age, oil, things like that. It's coming up pretty easy with the razor blade. This thing was not sharp enough. So what I'm trying to do though is not put too much stress on the edges. So I'm trying to push where it's against me, but also keeping in mind that this is really sharp and I don't want it coming at me in a dangerous way. So I like this side is really easy to get. It peels up pretty quick and easy. The coming the other way is a little more challenging because I have to pull against here and I have to be careful not to tweak it, and I have to be mindful of the blade. So that's what I'm doing. I will say it's kind of satisfying, just how it kind of peels up fairly easily, and just the scraping sensation is kind of a satisfying sensation. It reminds me of planing like a strip of wood. It's very, very similar. That's what it seems like.